Hi everyone. Now I will talk about the CMU FSE course demo. So let's dive in. I'll talk about the code structure. So my chat room web app is composed with two parts, the front end and back end. The one circled in orange shows the functionalities it has achieved, and the one in blue in the bottom kind of shows the technology I have been used. So shortly for my front end, I basically use HTML, CSS, and Bootstrap. 3 pages named index, sign up, and chat room. Index is the sign up, the sign in page. It will check username and password. So for my backend, it has server and a queries. And for queries, I achieve the 4 functions: create a user, login, add message, and get all messages. Those 4 functions will be called in server.js, and it will have interactions with my backend database. I use the Postgres in this case. And the chat room functions mainly have 5 parts shown here. Basically, I just register with the hidden rules, which are username has to not be empty, and the password has to be 8 characters. People may able to see each other's messages, and the user can post their chat messages, as well as to leave the chat room gracefully. So I achieve enter chat room. When I enter chat room and leave the chat room, the user information will be stored in local storage. So let's go ahead and see the real stuff. So let's see the demo now. Let's connect to my local host and listen on port 3000. Right now, I'm gonna refresh this. I already have Apple stored in my user, so I'm gonna go ahead log in as Apple. Right now, there's no chat messages. I will say, hi, I am Apple. It will show username, date, and the messages. I'm gonna refresh this, and then create another username saying banana. Password is hello. Note that if I enter different password, it will show the password does not match. And if it's all worked, see how it restored all the messages, and then I can type hi, I am Nana, send. So if right now I select my user tables, it now has 2. And then if I select my comments table, it also has 2. See how it will also, before my comments table has no rows. So right now, let's try it again. I love CMU. So Apple says I love CMU. Let's see our database. See how they dynamically change, and let's just log out and then log back in. It's banana. What is the password again? Let me see. Okay, the password is hello. Login. Not now. So see, the chat message right now is displayed and retrieved from database in 10-stamp or in ascending 10-stamp order. In ascending order ordered by 10-stamp. So right now I can both exit. I can log out. Let's just try to register for another. So we have logout, and thank you to watch the demo.